Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power sources because many black screens come from simple power issues. First, plug in the original HP charger and check the LED. If it shows charging, you know the battery isn't the immediate culprit. Once done, remove all peripherals like USB drives and SD cards. They can hang boot. Next, perform a hard power reset by holding Power Plus Refresh for about 10 to 15 seconds. This clears transient firmware locks, so the system can attempt a clean restart. If the screen remains black, you need to isolate display hardware from firmware problems. Try pressing the brightness up key and also connect an external HDMI monitor to see if you get an image. If external shows video, the internal panel or cable is the issue. If nothing appears, use the appropriate HP key combo, often ESC or ESC with refresh, during power-up to access BIOS or boot options. If firmware or a failed update looks likely, prepare a Chrome OS recovery USB to reinstall the system. For final steps, consider internal hardware checks if you're comfortable. Power down, unplug, open the back, and reseat display cables and any accessible memory or modules. This can fix loose connections. Make sure to disconnect the battery before touching internals to avoid shorts. If an external monitor worked earlier, replacing the LCD cable or panel is the likely remedy. If these steps don't restore the display, contact HP support or an authorized repair center for component-level diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.